The Oxidized Cholesterol Strategy review. Everyone wants to be healthy and have that happy life free of any sickness or disease, and according to me, if anyone must die it should be because of natural causes but not because of diseases that are mainly caused by the lifestyle one chooses. Doctors have been clear and told us that to avoid heart diseases we should check keenly on what we eat. To be healthy, you cannot eat that fried chicken you love so much or French fries or processed foods like margarine, fast foods or commercially baked foods. This is because according to the doctors such foods can cause inflammation in your body, which is caused by damage to your cell membrane and the oxidized low-density lipoprotein commonly referred to as LDL, the bad cholesterol present in your body. LDL is made up of fats and protein and contributes to plaque buildup in the arteries. This extra buildup then makes the arteries less flexible and leads to arteriosclerosis, in simpler terms, hardening of the arteries. What is Oxidized Cholesterol Strategy by Scott Davis? Scott Davis once suffered a heart attack. He survived it, and the doctor prescribed too many drugs to help him clear the cholesterol that had clogged his arteries, but he refused. He opted for natural ways of reducing the cholesterol levels in the body and it worked for him. So Scott decided to team up with Blue Heron Health News to publish a book, The Oxidized Cholesterol Strategy, that contains tips and ideas on how to maintain low levels of cholesterol without putting in too much work. Cholesterol is a wax-like substance that exists naturally inside your body and the body needs it to function. Also, you get cholesterol through the foods you eat. A buildup of cholesterol in your bloodstream causes plaque in between layers of your artery walls. The buildup makes it hard for your heart to pump blood. Then what is oxidized cholesterol, you might ask? It's cholesterol that dangerously builds up on the artery walls is oxidized? Oxidation can be quite damaging to the cholesterol cells. I recommend that you check out this strategy. For your convenience, I have put a discount link in the description. This PDF ebook, Oxidized Cholesterol Strategy, is, therefore, a program that promises to support people who are still learning how to control LDL and HDL by using natural methods, diet plan and simple changes in your lifestyle that will help you achieve better health in the shortest time possible. The instructions or information in this PDF ebook will give you ways of removing building block of plaque in your arteries, therefore, getting rid of what causes heart attacks and stroke in your body. When you start following correctly the procedures that have been laid out for you, you will definitely start to experience the changes within your body. You will be more energetic because the 50 to 60% of the energy you used to lose is restored back to you. This program will work in ensuring that your cholesterol levels are maintained and also replace it with healthy fats and the good cholesterol your body needs in order to function as it is required, and in turn, you get that perfect healthy body you have always wanted. How does the Oxidized Cholesterol Strategy by Scott Davis work? This product is keen on revealing the important secret factors that will give you guidelines and directions on how to keep the oxidized cholesterol in your blood in check, in little amounts, by ensuring that you take the required diet so you do not need any medications. This program gives you a 4-week plan that works at helping you regain your health and strength back. You will be required to follow an easy diet and lifestyle without putting in too much effort. This simple method has been tried by many people and it has worked for them as it worked for Scott Davis himself, so you can try this program today and see your life being transformed and you get to live for many more years. Isn't it amazing to learn that you can get rid of all that bad cholesterol from your system in just 4 weeks? You get to be healthy again, get rid of those heart diseases and stroke and be happy once again. The product comes with a 60-day money-back guarantee, so you need not be scared of trying it out, because if you find out that the product does not meet your expectations or it does not work for you, you could easily ask for your money back and it will be returned without conditions. I give you my word that the Oxidized Cholesterol Strategy will not disappoint you. I am hoping that this review has helped you to know more about this program, so don't forget to subscribe, share and like this video.